Are you a business owner who's interested to start using YouTube not only for views and brand recognition, but to actually start generating leads going back into your website and your sales pipeline? Well, stay tuned for this video where I'm going to explain how to use YouTube to generate leads. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to be posting more videos like this with tips on how to convert your YouTube viewership into leads, and also how to, of course, get more views for your video and your channel. Well, the first thing that you need to do and make sure that you're doing when you're using YouTube is having links to your website, and you need to also make sure that you have a lead magnet or a place where a newsletter, somewhere where you want people to go to build your email list. Now, this thing might sound a little bit self-explanatory, but you need to make sure that you add in this towards the end of your videos. It's very important, like anything in new marketing, is that you actually need to give content first. You need to do value. So when you're making a video, do a training, make sure the training is short, 3 to 5 minutes. This is what people usually come here on YouTube to do, just to learn like quick bites of content, and then kind of like a teaser. And then at the end, invite people to join your mailing list for updates, or if you have a download, you cannot ask them to do that. Now, I usually advise for you to do this towards, so you do your content, you give them, hey, here, join my mailing list, or download this that I created for you, and that after you give them the end screen. If you don't know what an end screen is, we're going to be posting, or what is it for, really the purpose of it. I'm going to be posting more videos about what that is soon. But if you do know what it is, make sure that the end screen, of course, has your subscription and videos so people can stay within your playlist. So just to recap, you want to do content, you want to invite people to your newsletter, and then you want people to go to the end screen and keep watching more of your videos in there, not ready to go to your website. Well, I hope you enjoyed that tip, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be adding more tips like this and how to build a sales funnel using YouTube video. It's not just about the views and brand recognition. I want you to also start generating sales with your YouTube channel. So see you next.